Hey my lovely creatures, how are you all doing? If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam, and on today's video we are going to into our day 4 workout challenge. If this is what you really want to watch, stay put, don't go away. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Don't mind my outfit is very cool, that is why I'm putting on this. Otherwise everything inside is for workout. So I'm going to go ahead to set up this. I'm going to start with 5 minutes skipping rope. Okay, so I set up 5 minutes, so let's see what we can do with it. Okay, 5 minutes I achieved 654. Normally 700 or more, but yeah, this man, I don't know what's going on with me. It's not going well. I have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload any video. Thank you so much. Let's wait for our tomorrow workout challenge, being day 5. You know what, don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now and have a lovely day. Bye. Love you.